This year is all about confidence and creativity. From sharp zigzag cornrows to the classic braids with fades, braids for little boys have never looked better. The big trend this year is the braids with a clean fade. It's the perfect mix of a sharp haircut and a protective style. Whether it's box braids or stitch braids that create bold patterns, these looks are designed to keep your little boy looking fresh for school and play. But a great style is only as good as the care you give it. To keep those parts looking crisp, always have him sleep with a satin or silk durag. This prevents frizz and keeps the braids from losing while he moves around at night. For hair growth, don't forget the scalp. Use a lightweight growth oil once or twice a week to keep the skin hydrated. And here's the most important tip: never pull too tight. Comfortable braids are healthy braids that let the hair flourish. Don't leave braids in for more than 4 weeks. Taking them down gives the scalp a break and prevents matting at the roots. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, please do well to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle, inspirations and ideas. Thank you for watching.